These are the birds of paradise. 39 species are known to exist. Separated by steep valleys, each has evolved a unique and dazzling display. Some more impressive than others. Thousands of years of evolution have been driven by a single factor: attracting a mate. Like her ancestors, she won't settle for anything but the best, creating one of nature's greatest spectacles. Papua's hidden valleys are one of the very few places on Earth where such stunning displays have been able to evolve. Whilst the birds of paradise are confined to their isolated pockets of forest, there are those who have mastered all but a few of the island's habitats. Some of the most successful prowl the forest floor.